Hello, homemakers. Let's talk about patience today. How many of you are impatient and starts taking stress when something comes up suddenly, like guests coming over and you have to prepare food, or unfortunate news and you have to pack immediately, or things like these, which create stress in your life, and the rage starts burning inside you, like, what is this, what do you want now? Things like these makes us infuriated with anger because we lose our patience. So ladies, we have to learn patience when we do our home chores. We have to learn patience when we observe nature. We have to adopt that power of patience because women are powerful. We have that power inside that we can inculcate any ability inside us, and women are no less. So we are above anything. We are into any field you talk about right now in these modern times. So when I was working in my home doing home chores, I was like, when the monsoon time comes, when it's about to come, we have to check our grains, and I was just doing the grain check, and then I found that like insects were there in black gram, and we need to segregate it. So I was doing this cleaning thing with the black gram, black chana, and I was cleaning them. So I while doing it, at one point of time I also get irritated, like, what is this, what am I doing right now? And then at once I corrected myself and said to my mind that this is how you will learn patience, Mansi. Or second thing that I said to myself was that, see, these, if from these whole lot all are good grains, few are bad, but that will make whole lot infected. So there are so many good qualities inside everyone, but there are few vices also, which gets heightened when unsuitable or unfavorable situation comes in front of you, or something doesn't happen in your way, something doesn't go the way you want it. So it's like that gets heightened, and you need to work on those vices and make them suppress and harness the good qualities above those bad qualities in you. So after that I went to make rice in the kitchen, and suddenly like, me and my mother-in-law have kept the one big two bags in which we keep our poly bags, which we get from like from the groceries or vegetables or fruit shop. Otherwise we take our own bags, we don't carry, but sometimes we get it and we keep it there, and it gets piled up, and that we use it for wastage, like we don't waste anything. So there is a place for those poly bags and kept in that big poly bag. So and suddenly it got dropped by me, or something hit, and I was like, again lost my patience, and I was like, what is happening to me? And my day is not going good today. What is happening today? But then I again corrected myself and said that it got dropped because you were you procrastinating that thing to do, because there are in your whole day, in your home course, there are priority work which you, like, to-do list which you have made for yourself, that you have to do this and this, and then these small things get aside, like, we'll do it later. But that poly bag got dropped only because I was like procrastinating for that thing, and I had to do it. I had to segregate and organized it, and then it felt very nice after doing it, because when you declutter and make things tidy for yourself, so it gives you a good feeling that your home is looking good and nice and clean. So ladies, I think we have to be little bit patient. In every family there is one person who is like very patient and take things very in a very comfortable, in a very cool manner, handle things very nicely. So try to become that. Try to change yourself a bit, and do all the work that you do with a whole heart. And above all, the best patience you can learn from is nature. Try to look around and see how nature is like doing the work day and now and then, the same routine. It doesn't get bored, it doesn't get irritated, and you will see that patience will start coming up, will start building inside you. And so that's it. If you liked my experience, if you can learn something from my experience, then I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Do share your feedbacks. If you are a little bit impatient, then we can share some tips like together. And do share the my channel, like, share and subscribe, and do ring the bell for the notifications as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.